Hello friends, this is Deepak Joshi and you are watching EduGST. Today we are going to discuss 5 important tasks which you should do before filing a return for the month of September 2021. As you are aware, there is no revision facility available under GST law to modify GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B. However, GST law permits you to modify any information which is furnished by you in your previous GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B while furnishing return for the subsequent period. However, there is one closing window also. GST law permits you to rectify, to modify or to furnish certain information before filing return for the month of September of the subsequent period pertaining to the previous financial year. For example, for financial year 2020-21, September 21 is the last date in which you can rectify, you can amend certain information pertaining to the financial year 2020-21. So we are going to discuss those 5 important things which you should remember while filing return for the month of September 2021. So let us see one by one what are those tasks which are very important, which you should remember before filing return for the month of September 2021. Let us check. So the very first task is regarding reconciliation of turnover as per books of account with your GST records. In an ideal situation, turnover as per books of account should match with turnover as per your GST records, that is GSTR 1. However, in many cases, because of the statute specific provision, turnover as per books of account is not matching with the turnover as per GSTR 1. For example, sale of fixed asset is the turnover as per GST law. However, in books of account, we are reducing such amount from the block of fixed asset. So these kind of deviations might be there in your turnover. In such case, a registered person is advised to prepare a reconciliation statement along with the reason for the deviation in turnover. Here, one should note an important fact that if any particular invoice which is recorded in the books of account as supply but not reported on the GST portal, in that case you should report such invoice on the GST portal while filing return for the month of September 2021. This is important from the point of view of your customer, because if you are reporting such invoice beyond September 2021, then your customer may face problem while getting input tax credit against such invoice. In addition to this, you should also reconcile liability as per your books of account with actual liability paid in form GSTR 3B. In case of short payment of tax, you should pay such differential amount along with the interest. Second important task is regarding amendments or rectification pertaining to the outward supply. So it may happen that you have reported say B2B transactions into B2C, or you have reported any particular invoice in B2B category but against the GSTN number of different person. In that case, September is last month in which you can do such amendment or rectification pertaining to such invoice, because proviso to section 37 subsection 3 allows you to do that amendment or rectification before filing return for the month of September 2020. So if there are any amendment or rectification pertaining to outward supplies which you have already declared in your GSTR 1 pertaining to financial year 2020-21. In that case, September is the last month in which you can do such amendments or rectification. The third item is regarding issuance of credit note. So section 34 subsection 2. Section 34 allows you to issue a credit note, and section 34 asks you to report such credit note in the month in which you have issued such credit note. However, according to subsection 2 of section 34, a registered person should report credit note pertaining to previous financial year before filing a return for the month of September 2021. So if you wish to report credit note pertaining to financial year 2020-21, then September is the last month in which you can issue a credit note pertaining to the transaction of financial year 2020-21. If you are issuing and reporting any credit note beyond September 2021, in that case, you are not allowed to reduce your GST liability pertaining to financial year 2020-21. And therefore, it is very important that if you have not reported any credit note pertaining to financial year 2020-21, in that case, September month filing of return for the month of September 2021 is the last date to report such credit note. The next agenda is reconciliation of input tax credit taken in books of account with form GSTR 2A. Now this is important because if any supplier who have not uploaded his outward supply in GSTR 1, in that case, credit which is taken by you in your books of account may lapse, and that is why you should communicate such fact to your supplier that he has not uploaded any particular invoice on the GST portal. So in that case, if he uploads such invoice while filing return for the month of September, such credit would be available to you, and that is why you should communicate to all your supplier regarding the missing invoices which they have not declared in form GSTR 2A. And the last but very important, avail the missing credit. Section 16 subsection 4 allows you to take the credit pertaining to financial year 2020-21 till the due date for filing return for the month of September 2021. So if any credit, if you have missed to avail in form GSTR 3B, in that case, filing of return for the month of September 2021 is the last date to avail such credit. Now, one important provision here which everybody should note and understand, that you are allowed to take credit pertaining to financial year 2020-21 in September month's return, provided that you are uploading such return on or before due date for filing GSTR 3B. So if you are availing credit in the month of September 2021, which is pertaining to financial year 2020-21, then you should file return for the month of September 2021 well within time. So these are the 5 important tasks which you should remember, which you should do before filing return for the month of September 2020. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.